Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of starpatrol.com. So this is basically an online platform that provides you with a flashlight that has got really popular on the social media lately. As you can see, they pretty much claim as one of the world's most brightest flashlight. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those bold claims. As you can see, this product is also available on Amazon, which is a really good signal about this product, because being available on Amazon means that this product has passed through a variety of safety checks. And it also has a really good rating of 4.6 out of 5, which is based on 639 reviews. And as you can see, even 500 plus people have bought this flashlight in the last month. So these are a really good signals about this product. And once I tried searching for the reviews of this product on Trustpilot, and I got to know that it has a pretty much decent rating of 3.6 out of 5, which is based on 504 reviews, which means that a lot of people have actually bought different products from this platform. And I've also tried searching for the reviews on the Scheme Advisor website, and got to know it has a very good score of 82 out of 100 on the Scheme Advisor website. So another green signal about this platform is it was registered back in 2024, which means it has been in the market for more than 2 years. So this also contributes about the credibility of this product and platform. So in conclusion, I would say like this platform and this product is not a scam, and you should try it out and purchase this product most probably from Amazon. So because based on the reviews, this is pretty much a legit product. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.